Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Apeksha Tripathi. Today I'm gonna share with you biography of Girish Karnad. Friends, Girish Karnad was not only a great writer but also a great actor and film director. He worked in both South Indian cinema and Bollywood. He was born in a Saraswat Brahmin Konkani family on May 19, 1938 in Mathiran, Maharashtra. Mathiran is a very beautiful hill station in Maharashtra. His father, Mr. Raghunath Karnad, was a doctor and his mother was Krishnabai Manikar. He was the third child of his parents and he had three siblings and one stepbrother. He got his initial schooling in Marathi and later his father moved to Karnataka where he completed his BA in Mathematics and Statistics from Karnataka University in 1958. After graduation, he moved to England and completed his Masters of Arts in Philosophy, Political Science and Economics from Magdalen College of the University of Oxford as a Rhodes Scholar from 1960 to 1963. Now let's understand what is the mean of Rhodes Scholar here. Rhodes is a scholarship program. This is an international post-graduation award for students to study at the University of Oxford. In 1963, he began his career with Oxford University Press, Chennai, and he worked there for 7 years. While working there, he joined a local theatre group called the Madras Players. If we talk about his personal life, he was married with Dr. Saraswati Ganpati and they have two children, Raghu Karnad and Shalmali Radha. Let's talk about his literary career. His first play is Yayati that he wrote in 1961 while he was studying in Oxford University. And the most surprising is this that he chose to write this play in Kannada language while his mother tongue was Konkani. So neither he chose Konkani nor English but he chose Kannada language. His second play is Tughlaq. Friends, his second play Tughlaq established him as one of the foremost playwrights of India. His other famous works are Hayavadana, Nagmandala, Dreams of Tipu Sultan, Fire and the Rain, Wedding Album, Boiled Beans on Toast, Crossing to Talikota. In 2011, he wrote his autobiography in Kannada language and the title is Adadatta Ayushya. He had worked in several Bollywood movies and South Indian movies. So, if we talk about his filmy career, then we saw that he made his acting as well as screenwriting debut in a Kannada movie. That's name is Samaskara and it came in 1970. He also worked as a film director. He directed many South Indian, especially Kannada movies, and he started his career as a film director with the movie Vamsha Briksha in 1971, and this movie won him National Film Award for Best Direction. He had worked in several Hindi movies like Nishant, Manthan, Swami, Pukar, Iqbal, Chalk and Duster, Door, 8 by 10 Tasveer, 24, Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Jinda Hai, etc. And many more Hindi movies he had done. Let's see some other important works of Mr. Girish Karnad. He provided the voice of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in the audio book of his autobiography Wings of Fire, and he worked in a TV series Malgudi Days based on R.K. Narayan's book. He also hosted the science magazine Turning Point on Doordarshan in the early 90s. From 1974 to 1975, he was appointed the director of the Film and Television Institute of India. And from 1988 to 1993, he became the chairman of Sangeet Natak Akademi. And from 2000 to 2003, he worked as the director of the Nehru Centre, London. He got several awards and prizes. He got Rajyotsava Award in 1970. This is the highest. This is the second highest civilian award in Karnataka. He also got other prestigious awards like Sangeet Natak Akademi Award in 1972, Padam Shri in 1974, Padma Bhushan in 1992, Sahitya Akademi Award in 1994, and Gyanpith Award in 1998, Kalidas Samman in 1998, honorary degree by University of Southern California, Los Angeles in 2011. Friends, he died on June 10, 2019 at Bengaluru due to multiple organ failure. And his last work is an unfinished autobiography in English. So this was all about the life of Girish Karnad. If you want to see the most important questions about his works, his life, you will get the link in description. Check the video. Thank you so much for watching.